Presenting the MCP Jindal Adjustable Height Folding Walker. This folding walker is ergonomically designed with pleasing aesthetics and matte finish. The strong anodized aluminum body makes this walker rust-proof. The riveted joints provide strength to the walker. The length of this walker can be adjusted telescopically with push button. This walker is adjustable from a minimum height of 78 cm to a maximum height of 96 cm with a foldable depth of 10 cm. The reciprocal movement of the MCP folding walker provides a comfortable walk to weaker patients, so no need to lift the walker during a walk. This MCP walker has a suction PVC hand grip for better comfort. It comes with an anti-skid base and is easy to carry. Comes with a brand warranty. For further details, please refer to the product page.